Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, a fresh layout in your workspace can really spark a boost in productivity and creativity. Today we're going to make a big change to my desk setup by introducing a new piece of tech that I'm really excited about, the ULTRARM Monitor arms. As you can see, my current setup includes a 49-inch ultra-wide monitor on an ULTRARM arm. It's been great, but I think it's time for something more robust and flexible. First, let's take down the old ULTRARM arm and clear the desk to make room for our new setup. Here we have the ULTRARM MA20P, known for its strength and customization options. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality. This arm is designed to handle heavy monitors like my 49-inch ultra-wide without any issues, and the best part, it's super customizable. Back in 2020, when I first started creating content, I had a stack setup that was very similar to what I want to mimic now. Back then I used a 27-inch on top of my ultra-wide, but the stand wasn't great and it was not sturdy by any means. With that in mind, I'm really looking forward to unboxing this and seeing how sturdy it actually is. I'm starting with the base arm for my 49-inch ultra-wide. Installation is straightforward and it's impressive how secure it feels. Now, let's add the add-on arm for my 32-inch monitor, which will stack above the ultra-wide. These arms are great because with both monitors mounted, I can easily readjust the angles and heights for the perfect dual monitor setup. Look at that, both monitors are perfectly aligned and the arms hold them securely with no sagging at all. Plus, I can easily adjust them anytime I need. Not only does it look cleaner, but the flexibility I get with these ULTRARM monitor arms is fantastic. If you're looking to upgrade your desk setup, I highly recommend checking out ULTRARM. I've included a link to their website in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.